Hi, I'm Praveen DS. I'm a person where different thoughts were running out in my mind. What to do next? Am I going on the right path of my career? Or how to go up? So this was a thought which was running up. I was a person like standing in a circle looking for various paths on my ways, where I had lot of thoughts and desires running always in my mind constantly, which was not stopping at all. So when I joined onto the second gear, the first day of the course when it came out, that was basically on the uh, idea generation. I came to know about uh, when I was asked, "Who am I?" That question hit my mind in such a way that I never thought in my life, "Who am I?" So that became a very strong point for me to start thinking what is there in me to look on. So then I was asked to do a SWOT analysis of myself. Then I was doing the SWOTs, but I did not know about its effectiveness. When the SWOT was put on myself, I came to know how effective the SWOT analysis tool is. Then, after doing the SWOT analysis, I came to know with my strengths, the weakness, the opportunities that I have, and also what are threats that I have. Then, after doing that, I was asked to find out what is my uniqueness from that, which was one of the most difficult tasks that I had, finding my uniqueness, what I myself I am. I was not able to recognize that. Then when this what gave me a clarity that I have a passion of being an innovative and doing the things in an innovative way. So that's where my uniqueness stands for, innovative man. So I am an innovative man with different thoughts and with various angles of thinking, where I can build the process or coordinate for any process. Next, coming on is the visions, which is basically very essential for a company, or is it be an entrepreneur or an entrepreneur. For any company to run out, everyone has their own vision, and it's for self development also. We'll have a vision. So this vision, how is very futuristic. We'll be thinking about how to go up, but how this futuristic thing has to happen, it has to carry its mission also, in how to execute that, in what are the ways that we need to do that through this mission process. Once this is being done, we also need to know where we need to plan our business or growth, whatever it is. We need to plan that what I am going to take up. So to that aligning, for the growth plan, I took up my growth plan, how I need to grow in my current organization where I am working at. So this growth plan gave me like how important this growth plan is, like planning myself for my growth in the organization where I am standing, where aligning to the company's vision and the mission what they have, aligning all my activities, the working thoughts that I am doing should align to that, and I should contribute for my company's visions. So if I need to create or develop any footprints in the company, for me the essential is to work for my company's vision, where the main is like, if I need to, example is, if I need to improve my customer satisfaction of my company and to improve the business of my organization, that becomes an important, where if I am aligned to one of the department in it, how can I contribute to it and how can I achieve into it. So that through that I made my business growth plan by putting my what are the footprints that I can leave in my organization, to see that what best can be always remembered, and also it is like what I can fulfill the people's requirements as well as the company's requirement, and also I have my own career growth which I am being recognized in the organization based on my achievements that I have done. So after this, I took some of the action points which for the implementations of myself on how I'm going to implement the things in the company. So which I took as one of the top 5 major projects, and now that projects I am linking myself to the 12 bar 12 two sutras which I learned from the second gear. Now I am aligning this 12 bar 12 into each month. I'll be taking up 1 and 2 activities, or splitting it into 12 months, but still this 12 sutras will play a major role to put my team, myself, getting aligned to the company's vision, and we will be contributing for my company's career growth, for the company's growth, as well as my growth and my team's growth, so that we are all aligned and growing in the company. So this process came into all this learnings, thoughts, and whatever I am speaking today, it all came out from the second gear when I started my course on the first and to the last what I learned, and also I was mentored and guided on each steps how to go up, and I was also told, am I going on a right path or picking the right directions where I am, and is my thoughts or the ideas or my plans, is it right or wrong? That was being mentored. Now based on this mentoring, I am going to take this ahead, and I am going to make a lot of changes in my organization which would be a benefit to my company growth, and also for my individual growth and my team's growth. So that's it, what I have to tell about on my course, also on the second gear, which gave me a platform to learn, which I did not know how to do a business plan. Today I know how to do a business plan, where I can do a business plan for a micro entrepreneur if I want to start up. So that's the one more learning along with my growth plan, which I learned on how to go up on doing a marketing strategy, how to build an HR strategy, how to do a financial strategy, because all these are very essential. This many days we thought that being an entrepreneur working in one department, we thought that something is happening, let the company is going out. But after this, there is a lot of pain in doing each of these activities, because marketing, when a product is being built, it's very difficult to get it sold in the market. So before selling it, how the plans have been done, how the products have been released, how its pricings have been done, where to sell it, and how to promote this. This has been done through this marketing strategies, which I did not know. I came to know through this course which I did. And also next on the HR strategy, it's not like simply to hire people and fire people. We need to also learn how is my company's forecasting is, how is the growth of the company. Based on that, I need to plan my HR requirements also and align to this requirement, so that the people who have been recruited and also working also needs to be happy and working for a long time in the company. The next is like the business plan, how to do the market surveys before taking up anything. So that's one, and also the finance, how to manage the finance. It's the finance is the biggest important part for an organization to run, and it has to be planned in a proper way, where to invest or in this year, or what need not be invested for the next year. So all those expenditures, profits, everything has to be aligned to our requirements. So all this I learned through the second gear, the course which I did, and I think now I have a thought, I have one process flow in my mind on how to create a business plan. And also now, as an entrepreneur who is working in an organization, I know the pains, and also know how to develop, and inside my company also, when a product gets launched, I can also be part where in this of the business growth plans also, if I am given an opportunity to do that. So this is the one, the biggest learning that I had, and I thanks to GK sir as well as Kiran and Ravi, who are part of this entire organizations and supports during the trainings, right from my admissions to end of my course. Thanks to everyone. Thanks my friends who were part of my trainings, and during my trainings as well as my course. and also to every person who has given me an opportunity to work. And